Monitor, Control. For this tutorial, we'll use HEIFU drones as assets. Let's start with the monitor. Click on Control. At the bottom left corner, on Active Assets, you can select which drone to control. The active asset is showed in blue and green, while the others are displayed in white. Select one and the map will center to its location. On the left, the buttons plus and minus allow you to zoom in and out from the map. You can also do this with mouse scrolling. The magnifying glass icon allows you to search for locations on the map. The keyboard icon will show you the key bindings to control the drones. The cogwheel lets you toggle the usage of joystick and keyboard commands, show camera FOV overlay, and set the HEIFU stream bitrate. The eye icon lets you know which user is currently watching the selected drone. Be aware, multiple users can control the same drone simultaneously. The first button with the up arrow is for takeoff. You can press it again to land. The second button is to return the drone to the launch location. The third button is to stop the drone. It will hover in position. The fourth button is to set a destination point. Click on the map, then insert the intended altitude and confirm. The fifth button lets you point the drone's camera to the selected position you click on the map. The globe button will show you the mission a drone is executing. There's a sixth button that only shows if there is an active mission. To select a group of drones, press and keep the Alt key, click once and release. Move the mouse without dragging. You'll see an orange selection box, then click again. With a swarm selected, you can now control the drone simultaneously. You can swap the map for the streamed video by clicking here.